So today we are going to be learning 3 cool percentage tricks that can help us to calculate and evaluate percentages of numbers easily and fast. The first part is the zero cancellation. Let's say we are being asked to evaluate 20% of 30 naira, for example. Here now we have 2 zeros behind the number. The trick says that we get rid of the 2 zeros, then multiply the remaining number. That's 2 times 3 is 6. So therefore, 20% of 6 naira, of 30 naira rather, is 6 naira. Easily. Yes, very fast. Now let's look at another example. What we have something like 53% of 200. 200 people, 200 whatever, 53% of 200. Here also we have 2 zeros behind the number. Doesn't mean where the zeros are. It might be 1 0 here, 1 0 here, or it might be 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. No matter how the zero is being placed, you get rid of 2 of the zeros. Get rid of these 2 zeros and multiply the number. This will give us 106. As simple as that. What if the zeros are not up to 2? Let's say we have to evaluate 20% of 11. Let's say 20% of 11, for example. Now here we just have 1 0. No problem. Get rid of that 1 0. Multiply normally. 2 times 11, 22. Then move a decimal place. That's 1 decimal place to compensate for the other 0. So therefore, 20% of 11 is 2.2. What if we don't have any zeros at all? We don't have any zeros. What should we do? Let's assume you have to calculate, let's say, 3% of 21, for example. 3% of 21. We don't have any zeros to cancel. No problem. 3 times 21 is easy for us to multiply. We can multiply mentally. So when we have 3% of 21, multiply 21 times 3 in your head. That will give us what? 63. Now here we don't have any zeros. So we have to move 2 decimal places. That's 1 decimal place, another decimal place. Put the decimal point here. Then we'll add a 0 because there's no number here. 0.63. Therefore, 3% of 21 is 0.63. As simple as that.